Hey guys, for this video, we're going to unbox the new lightweight DAR 1312. So we'll check out what's inside the pack and let's compare it to the regular DAR 1312. Let's go! Alright, so this is the new lightweight double aluminum rollers 1312, or better known as DAR. Item number is 95379. Okay, so let's check out what's inside. First, you have the manual or the guide, so it will show you how you will install your DAR. Okay, the next, this pack. Now it comes with a screw. This is a regular screw. The length is 20 millimeter. Okay, and it also comes with the 520 here, 520 bearings. Okay, then we have a nut and some tube. The what do you call this one? Sorry, it's called a pipe, and the roller spacer. Okay, this one, and then the DAR itself. There you have it. It's very shiny. On my left is the new DAR, then on the right is the old one. As you can see, in the middle, there's a big difference when it comes to the design. Same size, don't worry, this is 1312, but the center, as you can see, in the middle part, there's a slight difference with the design. Okay. Now next, let's check out the weight. Now let's weigh in the new DAR. It's 2.3 grams. And then let's weigh in the old one. It's 2.7. Take note that this is a used DAR, but I only use this for video content, not for races. So let's say if you're going to buy a new stock of the old model, probably will weigh in around 2.8 or 2.9 grams. Okay, but still, the new DAR is way lighter than the old model. Now, this is available at Tamiya Underground for only 648 pesos. So that's it for our video. I hope you learned something from it. As always, stay safe, keep on racing. See ya!